Hello kids! Today, we're going to learn about the days of the week, and we're going to make it super fun and easy. Look at this. These are the 7 days of the week. Can you say them with me? Sunday. It's the day when the sun shines bright in the sky. Say Sunday with me. Now, let's move on to the second day. Monday. It's the day when we start our week. Can you say Monday? Tuesday. This day comes after Monday. Say Tuesday like a cheerful parrot. Wednesday. We're halfway through the week now. Wednesday is a bit of a tongue twister, but you can do it. Thursday. Just one more day until the weekend. Say Thursday with a thumbs up. Friday. Woohoo! It's almost time for the weekend. Say Friday like you're excited. Saturday. It's finally the weekend. Saturday is a fun day for playing. Can you say it with a smile? Great job, everyone! You've learned all the days of the week. Let's say them all together one more time. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Well done, you've got it.